Good day everyone. In this video, I will be showing you how to insert a drawing on Google Docs. This tutorial should be pretty straightforward and really easy to follow, so anyone should be able to do this if you watch carefully. Please do not worry if you're not familiar with the interface of Google Docs, as I will be here to guide you and show you the step-by-step process on how to do so. So, let's get started. First and foremost, please ensure that the Google Chrome you are using is completely up to date so that we will not encounter any errors along the way of the process. Now, once you're on Google Chrome, head over to your search bar, either right here or right here, and type in Google Docs. Now, as you can see, after we hit enter, it gives us tons of results to choose from. However, we would like to focus on the first one. Click on the first one, which will open this page right over here. Once you are on this page, click on the Go to Docs button. Now, if this is your first time using Google Docs or Google Chrome, it may require you to sign into your Google account. If it does, please do. Once you have signed into your main Google account, it will redirect you to this page right over here. Now, let us start a new document to start this tutorial. You can either use a blank document, or depending on your purpose, you can use a resume format, letter format, project proposal format, and many more. In this tutorial, however, I will stick with a blank document. Just click on the desired format once, and as you can see, it gave us a blank document or a blank canvas. Once you're on your canvas, to insert a drawing, head over to the upper panel right over here, which as you can see has tons of options to choose from. To insert a drawing, focus on the Insert tab right over here. Click on the Insert tab, and as you can see, we have tons of options to choose from, like image, table, charts, and many more. For this tutorial, I will teach you how to add a drawing. Click on the drawing and click on New. It will then open this canvas right over here. This is pretty much a limitless canvas. Now, you can zoom to your canvas right over here, zoom menu, and right over here. You can do it in full screen, but by default, it will be like this. Now, you can add a shape if you want, like this. Just drag your mouse, click and drag your mouse to resize the shape that you're going to add, and release your mouse button to apply the shape. As you can see, you can move around your shape if you want to. Click on the shape again, and as you can see, we have different types of shapes that we can add. You can add an equation from the math symbols. You can add a circle, or this 3D looking square. You can also add arrows if you want to, like so. As you can see, we have already created a few shapes. You can also add text box and an image, or even a line. To add a line, just click on it and click on this area. You can also drag and hold your mouse to redirect the line, like so. If you are done and you want to add these shapes or drawing on your canvas, all you have to do is to click Save and Close. Click it once, and as you can see, it is now on our canvas. We can resize it, change the text formatting, move it around, and everything that you can do in a picture. As simple as that, we have now inserted a drawing on our Google Docs document. If you learned something in this video, please consider subscribing and hitting the like button. I'll see you guys next time, and thank you for watching.